gram object, 200 gram object placed on the 0.1 square centimeter area. Find the pressure exerted on the ground. Right. Here contain the mass. Here contain the area. Right. What is the special things? Mass is given us in gram. But when we are going to pressure, we should find the force exerted by the object on the ground. No? For this, we should know the mass in kilogram. Therefore, the gram should be converted into the kilogram. Here you know how to convert the gram into the kilogram. මෙතෙන් දිහා දැනගන්න ඕනේ gram කොහොමද kilogram වලට convert කරන්නේ. නේද? කොහොමද convert කරන්නේ? How to convert the gram into kilogram? By dividing 1000 no by multiplying 1000. 1000 වලින් multiple කරොත් මොකක්ද වෙන්නේ? පොඩ ප්‍රායෝගික විදිහට මේක 1000 වලින් multiples කරොත් එන්නේ කිලෝග්‍රෑම් කරන්න විශාල ගාණක් වෙනව නේද? දැන් ග්‍රෑම් 200ක් කියන්නේ පොඩි ගාණක්. එහෙනම් මොකද කරන්නේ? How to convert the gram into kilogram? By dividing 1000. By dividing 1000, right? First we go to find the mass. Mass is 200 gram. It should be converted into the kilogram by dividing 1000. Right. Now it is the kilogram. No? Now it is the kilogram. It means 0, 0, 0, 0 can be cancelled. 0.2 kilogram. 0.2 kilogram. If we know the mass, we should find the weight. How to find the weight? W is equal to mg is used to find the weight. No? Mass is kilogram. 0.2 kilogram. G, what is the G? Gravitation. What is the value of the gravitation? 10 newtons per kilogram. No, newtons per kilogram. Then what will happen? Kilogram per kilogram can be cancelled. What will remain? 0.2 times 10 Newton. It means 0.2 times 10. What is the answer? 2 Newton. Right. Now we found the weight. Now we have to find the area. How to find the area? Area is equal what? 0.1 square centimeter. It is also should be converted into the square meter. For this we can write down 0.1 square centimeter is made by 1 centimeter times 0.1 centimeter. No? 0.1 centimeter. Now we know how to convert the centimeter into meter. Tell me how to convert the centimeter into meter. How to convert the centimeter into meter? By dividing 100. 1 centimeter convert into the meter by dividing 100. 0.1 by dividing 100, it is also converted into the meter. Then we can fraction multiplied by fraction. When we are going to multiply fraction by fraction, numerator should be multiplied by numerator, denominator should be multiplied by denominator. Right, then tell me what is the answer is 1 multiplied by 0.1, 0.1. 100 times 100, 10,000. Meter times meter, square meter, right. Now we found the weight and area. No? Then we will go to find the pressure. What is the equation that can be used to find the pressure? Pressure is equal force divided by area. Force is 2 Newton. I will put division sign. Area is 0.1 divided by 10,000 square meter. Then I will put multiple sign. After that we should write the reciprocal. 10,000 divided by 0.1 square meter. After that 2 times 10,000, 20,000 Newton divided by 0.1 square meter. Then how many decimal places are there? In the denominator, how many decimal places are there? There is a 1 decimal place. No, therefore, denominator should be multiplied by 10 to remove the decimal place. If we multiply the denominator by 10, numerator also should be multiplied by 10. After that, what will happen? 20 times 10 is 200,000. 200,000 Newton should be divided by 1 square meter, no? Right. When 200,000 divided by 1, what is the answer? 200,000. Unit is Newtons per square meter. It's not 200,000 Pascal. Right. This is the answer for this question. අනිවාර්යෙන් යුනිට් ගැන මම ආයෙත් කියනවා. යුනිට් ගැන අනිවාර්යෙන් සැලකිලිමත් වෙන්න පුතේ. තේරුණා? කිලෝග්‍රෑම්ද ග්‍රෑම්ද මොනවද දීලා තියෙන්නේ? weight එක හොයන්න අනිවාර්යෙන්ම ග්‍රෑම් මොනවද කරන්නේ? කිලෝග්‍රෑම් වලට කන්වර්ට් කර යුතුමයි. පැහැදිලිද මේක? ආ රයිට් හදන්න පටන් ගන්න.